Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $6.30. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow stay up above $6.30, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 630 would be great. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. That's right up there around $6.60. I mean, if you just take a quick trip down memory lane, you can see a couple times today the bulls did try to fight up there and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking resistance. It's all about healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher bases and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.